And we have here Sekuwa, guys. This is also most famous, and this is like buff Sekuwa, and they do also have chicken Sekuwa. So we are going to try the buff Sekuwa here, guys. It's kind of a fried mixed with some onion and tomato, guys. Let's go. Sekuwa, Baktabur Sekuwa. Have it done. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! You have to wait for this. Guys, I think I need to take one parcel like this. I need to take one home with me. Oh my god, this is so delicious. To be honest, this is the tastiest Sekuwa or the fried buffalo or the food so far I'm eating in Nepal, guys. This is so tasty. Honestly, this is like 9.8, guys. This is 9.8. This is so nice, guys. Everyone will love it, guys. This is so nice. And I will prove to you that I'm gonna finish this, guys. This is 9.8. So tasty. So, oh my god. So soft to eat, and the taste will just hit your brain before reaching your stomach, guys. This is so delicious. This is gonna be my favorite among all. I don't care what I'm going to try next, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna win. Sekuwa. Now you can call me Sekuwa, guys. I love Sekuwa. My nickname is Sekuwa. Sekuwa Gabs from Africa. They said this is Nepali barbecue. Oh my gosh, my name is Sekuwa. She made the best Sekuwa. This is the best Sekuwa, guys, I taste so far here in Bhaktapur. It's really amazing, so tasty. This is the place, okay? You can come in this place and try it, okay? Yeah. This place seems like you are going out from Bhaktapur, guys. Yeah, but it's not that far, and it's just beside those painting or those handmade pots and stuff, guys. Yeah, it was really amazing.